Hello friends, welcome again. You are watching Modern Home Decor and welcome to my channel. This will be a very exciting video because today in this video I will show you all the designs of front yard gardening. People do have a large houses or small houses but they don't know how to do gardening on their front yards because doing a gardening in a proper space requires so much effort. People don't know where to start and how to design those things. You have a spare space in your front house and you don't know how to use it. This is the biggest nightmare because most of the people use their front spaces very actively. And even you can start organic gardening on your front spaces. You will need to put a very little effort on a very little cost and you can start a very good thing in your front houses. But yes, it also depends how much space do you have and how much area you are acquiring. Sometimes people do organic farming, but some people just love the ornamental plants and they love to planting in their front houses. It looks very elegant and very beautiful too, because mainly people when enter from the front side, this thing appear and look very glamorous on our I like this. You can use your spacious spaces for your sitting, for your dining, or to use a barbecue. People also use those steps for walk on. Sometimes the side streets can also be utilized very effectively. So these are all the designs. You can take a screenshot and you can build your own. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.